Stepping into Bangkok's Chinatown is like entering a sensory carnival. The air crackles with energy, a symphony of sizzling woks, lively chatter in Hokkien and Teochew dialects, and the pungent aroma of 1,000 spices. Vivid red shop signs adorned with gold lettering compete for attention, while vendors hawk exotic fruits and traditional remedies. Motorbikes weave through the throngs of people, their horns adding to the vibrant symphony of this chaotic yet captivating district. This is Yaowarat Road, the pulsating heart of Bangkok's Chinatown, a place where centuries-old traditions meet modern-day chaos in a dazzling spectacle. The energy here is infectious. It's impossible not to get swept up in the whirlwind of activity, the sheer abundance of sights, sounds, and smells. Whether you're a seasoned foodie, a culture vulture, or simply looking for an adventure, Chinatown promises an unforgettable experience. Chinatown is a paradise for food lovers, a place where every nook and cranny offers a culinary adventure. The aroma of grilling seafood mingles with the sweet scent of mango sticky rice, creating a symphony of scents that tantalize the taste buds. Street food stalls, decades-old family businesses spill onto the sidewalks, their sizzling woks and steaming pots brimming with culinary treasures. Don't be shy, dive right in. Start with a plate of glistening oyster omelets, crispy on the outside and bursting with savory flavors. Next, sample the iconic Gui Tiao Ruer, a flavorful boat noodle soup, its rich broth simmered for hours with secret spices. Don't miss the chance to try bami mudang, springy egg noodles topped with succulent red pork, a Chinatown staple. And for dessert, indulge in some warm, melt-in-your-mouth mango sticky rice, a perfect blend of sweet and salty. Amidst the bustling energy of Chinatown lies a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, Wat Mangkon Kamalawat. This magnificent temple, the largest Chinese Buddhist temple in Bangkok, provides a serene escape from the sensory overload of Yaowarat Road. Intricately carved dragons adorn the temple's roof, their golden scales shimmering in the sunlight. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the scent of burning incense and the soft murmur of prayers. Locals and tourists alike come to pay their respects to the deities, seeking blessings and guidance. The air hums with a palpable sense of devotion, a stark contrast to the lively chaos just outside the temple walls. Spend a few moments here, soaking in the peaceful atmosphere and marveling at the intricate artwork, a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Chinese community in Bangkok. While the street food is a major highlight, Chinatown offers much more than just culinary delights. Venture beyond the food stalls, and you'll discover a treasure trove of unique shops and hidden gems. Wander through shops overflowing with colorful Chinese lanterns, their silk shades painted with delicate flowers and mythical creatures. Duck into a traditional Chinese medicine shop, where dried herbs and exotic ingredients promise to cure any ailment. Haggle for lucky charms and amulets at a street-side stall, or browse through shops selling ornate tea sets and exquisite porcelain. Chinatown is a treasure hunt for the curious traveler, a place where you can stumble upon unexpected treasures and experience the authentic side of Bangkok.